a cube times a square. A cube times a squared multiplication 3 times 2 6, not a power 5. How? A cube, a cube means a repeated 3 times, a squared means a repeated 2 times. So totally how many a's? A power 5 a's. So it is a power 5. In the same way, a cube over a square, what will happen? A power 1.5 we may expect, but it is no, a power 1, simple a. How? A cube 3a's divided by a square 2a's, cancel. So only 1a balance. Okay, come here. A power m times a power n will be a power m plus n. A power m over a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Indices rules.